What's going on, y'all? This is Dave with the Bomb Smokes, and it's a Tuesday night and I'm hungry and I don't really know what I want to cook. I do know I'm drinking me some bourbon. Evan Williams Black Label. I'm gonna make some Smashburgers tonight. Now, what am I gonna make Smashburgers with, and what am I gonna smash them with? Well, stay tuned. You'll find out.
Slower than a sloth, more off the wall than Humpty Dumpty, able to burn food until it's unrecognizable. It's a master griller. It's a master chef. Hell no, it's the Bomb Smokes.
I made this little griddle thing for about $20 at Walmart, and it fits right on my gas grill. You know, I've had this gas grill for about 15 years. Let's see, I bought it in 2001. No, I've had it longer than that. It's a Charbroil King. I paid over $700 with tax on this thing. The original burner lasted me 5 years, so I really can't complain. I bought it in 2001, so I've had it 17 years, and it's been a good one. So that's what I'm going to cook tonight, and this thing fits right in my grill, and I'm going to see how it works. So stay tuned, folks. We're having ourselves a nice torrential summer rain out here today, folks. I love this. There's no lightning or thunder, at least not right where I'm at, but boy, it's coming down in buckets. Woo, yeah. I love grilling out like this. I don't know what it is about grilling out in a torrential downpour, especially when you got a roof over your head. I guess that's what it's all about. Oh yeah. So we're going to get ready to fire this baby up. I've already fired it up. My old dependable Charbroil grill. And we'll be back. Alright folks, I don't know how hot that griddle is, but I've got it fired up 100%, and the internal temperature thing was reading about I don't know, 200-300 degrees, but that may not be indicative of what the griddle itself is. So I'm just going to let it sit there for a little bit and get warm, and we'll see what happens here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put some oil on it. Yeah, I believe it's pretty hot. Doing something. Got my hamburger in little balls here. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna put that hamburger on there and mash that bastard. Woo, 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 yeah. Excuse my French. We do for another one. Put that on there. Oh yeah, mash that baby. Notice I said baby this time. Of this SPG on it. This is garlic salt, and I added pepper to it. Best stuff. That's really all you really need. Let them cook a little bit. Alright, one problem I see about this little $20 thing from Walmart is, look, it's warped all to hell. It ain't sitting flat. I mean, it still works. You can still griddle on it, but nah, I don't know if that's going to work. It's not even. I done flipped them. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to put some more SPG on the back side of them. It's all right. It'll do in a pinch. I mean, what I'm talking about is this little griddle here, but I really don't see it lasting long. I mean, it's a good way of making the use of my gas grill. But, you know, like I say, it's warped. Look at this. You see there? That's warped all to hell. Very first cook, too. Let's slap some cheese on that. All right, let's slap some cheese on this. Whoa. Looks like it's got a little bit of mold on it. Well, we'll just pull that off. It ain't gonna hurt a thing. See, I used to work in the meat market, and believe it or not, if we got moldy cheese, we just cut it off and repacked it. I don't know if that sounds good or not, but I never died, got sick from it. The thing I do like about this is when you put the cheese on it, you can cover it. The same thing as putting one of them little pot things over it. Helps melt the cheese. Oh yeah, look at that cheese melt. That looks good. I believe these babies are ready to come off. I had some bacon cooked up, but I ate it already, so I won't have any bacon on my burgers. Sorry. Put some Dijon mustard on that. A bit of mayo. Bit of mayo. Oh, I love mayo. Yeah. And I love bread and butter pickles. Oh yeah. Got 3 of them on there. Got me some onion to go on there. Tomato. Big old bun there. And there we have it. I don't really have any sides for this, but hey, I don't really need any. There's the big old burger right there. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm fixing to take a big bite of this big boy. Well, they're really good. Sit down and finish eating this. I don't have any sides, but that's okay. Sometimes I just like just a good old hamburger. Well, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank all of y'all for tuning in. I love y'all, and I really appreciate it. And remember, when this day is gone, it's gone forever. So don't take it for granted. Cheers, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Cheers, y'all. Evan Williams, Black Label. Oh, it's so good. See ya.